New Mold Base and Standard Parts Library. Mold Base and Standard Parts Library are rebuilt. Now, all parameters of Mold Base can be customized, and it has a friendly workflow. Users can also set plate attribute for external Mold Base. In Mold Base command, the legend shows more parameters. Mold bases are classified in different classes. Parameters are grouped according to different types. Users can customize all these parameters. Preview can be updated by refresh. ZW3D 2019 has integrated part solutions, which includes parts and assemblies. Users can insert mold bases with a single click. All plates can be marked as corresponding plates in ZW3D, such as TC plate, A plate, etc. In this way, they can be recognized when inserting standard parts. New Mold Base and Standard Parts Library make it easier for users to customize their own and external mold base.